Being an armadillo is rough. I just put a video on of Sherman eating his breakfast, and now he's in my lap, snoring away. Listen. Oh no, he stopped. Well, there's a cute video of an armadillo sleeping. He's such a baby.